You know, most business owners don't fail because they lack ideas. They fail because they are stuck doing everything themselves. I've been there, firefighting daily, jumping from meeting to meeting and thinking, maybe if I just push a little harder. But here's the thing, sometimes pushing harder just dig the hole deeper. And someone once said, it is hard to fix the engine while you are still driving the car. And that's true. Every now and then, you have got to pause, step out, and sharpen the saw. That's exactly why I created Doer's Business Circle, a 12-month group coaching program for entrepreneurs who want clarity, structure, and real growth result. As a serial entrepreneur who has built and led 10 companies, from startup to businesses expanding regionally, and having trained teams from SME to IPO-ready and listed companies, I've learned that growth isn't about doing more. It's about doing what matters most and doing it better. So, if you are ready to stop running in circles and finally grow 10 times with guidance, community, and accountabilities, join Doer's Business Circle today. Click the link or message us to find out more. And remember, hope is not a strategy, but coaching with KPIs is.